Hi, I'm George Masick with Paky. Welcome to InfoComm 2025 here in Orlando. Picture I want to show you just for a minute today is our high BI K15 Aqua. It's an IP66 fixture that has 19 by 40 watt RGBW engines. Every engine is individually controllable, and as you can see, the lens rotates as well. Great 4 to 60 degree zoom range in this fixture, and as I mentioned, it's IP66 K15 Aqua is what tells you that. That gives you great usability indoors, outdoors, and also protection from dust. The high BI K15 Aqua from Paky. You can see it at www.claypaky.it or through our distributor's website. And we're here with Inner Circle in North America, so you can come and take a look at all the great products both Paky and Inner Circle has at InfoComm 2025. Take care.